In this video, I want to share with you 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in January. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in January, I just want to do a quick sales update because it is November 1st, so I can show you my stats from October. But like I said, November 1st, Friday, 5:20 p.m. And for the day, I'm sitting at 24 sales, $42 in royalties, 2 returns. But here you can see for last month, which is October, I did 1,400 sales and made $2,915, so just under $3,000. This is actually the second best month I've ever had on Merch by Amazon in my, I think, almost 8 years now on Merch by Amazon. 2 months ago, I finally hit my goal of $3,000. I did $3,007, but this is my second best month I've ever had, so that is pretty cool. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. Sometimes I also post like gym pics, family pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So I have members, and one of the perks of being a member is every month you get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending 2 months from now. So since it's November 1st, in 2 months it's going to be January. You get those for free. It's one of the perks. You also get like a daily market update where I share with you a trendy niche every day, 7 days of the week. But I want to share, if you're not a member, I wanted to share the Word file and the prompts if you're interested in purchasing it. So if you do want to buy them, you just click this link in the description, and it's going to be a pinned comment. Now, I used to sell these on Gumroad, but I just had problems with Gumroad one time, and so now I've just been using PayShip. It's basically the exact same thing, but here you can see 100 prompts for January, only $9.99, and you'll get these 2 Word files, a PDF, and a doc. But let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts. And usually in the past, I'd given out like 5 for free, but honestly, I was just too busy and kind of too lazy to do that, so I just figured I would just skip it this time and just offer the 100 prompts. But let's go ahead and take a look at those prompts. So if we go to my Ideogram page right here, we're going to see all of the 100 prompts. And the way that I have the Word file set up, it's basically niches that will be trending, in January. It could also be be considered like evergreen niches as well. But it's basically broken down into 4 or 5 categories. So we're going to have like federal holidays. We're going to have like careers, we're going to have health and awareness, we're going to have food, and we're going to have animals. All right, so here are the federal ones. So there's some type of Australian holiday in January. I don't know if it's like their Independence Day, but something like that. But here you're going to see we got Not Your Average Australian. This is a very popular design style. Ever since I started making these YouTube videos and doing a bunch of niche research, I've just seen this design pop up so many times with so many different niches. So not your average, and you just pop in the niche and you just get some type of clip art that looks kind of something like this. You can also use a cactus as well. Australian drinking team, so here we're cross-niching drinking or beer with Australia. Just a simple Sydney, Australia, so I believe the capital or the famous opera house. Here's just an Australia one with the koala and the flag. And one thing about Ideogram, they do a really good job with their like cartoon figures. So that looks like a nice one right there. I don't know exactly what holiday this is, but something happened in Australia in 1932. So it is being remembered, so never forget. This one right here, I'm tired of waking up and not being in Australia. This is another popular phrase where you can just basically take any type of country, any type of city, and use that as well. So it could be like France, Mexico, Canada, etc., etc. But here you can see it's got some kangaroos and koalas in the sun. My home is in the USA, but my heart is from Australia. So here we're cross-nation Australia with the United States. Just a girl who really loves Australia. So this is, again, another popular phrase. If you remember, you see that I use this one a lot. And what I thought was interesting about this is that usually just a girl who really loves this niche phrase is usually always for like food or animals. But as we can see here, we can also use it for countries as well. Right here, Aussie, cross niche with the American flag. Good day, mate. So those are the Australia ones. Now we're getting into the Philippines, because I believe there's some type of Philippine Independence Day or some type of federal holiday in January for the Philippines. So lumpia, that's how I roll. I believe lumpia is some type of traditional Filipino food. Exercise, I thought you said extra rice. We've seen this one with French fries as well. Filipina Lola, I believe that's grandma, like a normal grandma, only way more lovingly. TGIF, thank God I'm Filipino. I may live in the U.S., but my story began in the Philippines. This actually is from my members. I forgot to get rid of it, so scrap that one. That one is not in the word file. Sorry about that. Then we got Haiti. So Haitian history, revolution since 1804. Not only am I cute, I'm Haitian too, Haitian princess, and first black republic, Haiti strong. So those are the federal ones. Now we're getting to the health and awareness. So it is Thyroid Cancer Awareness Month in January. So my mom is stronger than cancer. Faith over fear. Her fight is my fight. My God is stronger than thyroid cancer. Save our children. Oh yeah, so this is for human trafficking awareness. So save our children with the American flag. Another save our children and human trafficking with the boho rainbow. Another save our children. This was just a very popular phrase, but with different types of clip art or design styles. So save our children, stop human trafficking, save them. Here we got glaucoma, so that's when you have problems with the eye. So I'm a glaucoma warrior support squad. Glaucoma doesn't come with a manual, it comes with a warrior who never gives up. Now we're into blood donation. That's another health and awareness holiday in January, so always give 100% unless you're donating blood. That's pretty funny. A blood donor saved my life. Save lives, donate blood. You don't have to be a doctor to save lives, just donate blood. Be a donor, be a hero. Now we got cervical cancer awareness. It's actually a pretty good one with the butterflies. I have to admit, Ideogram is pretty darn good. I wear teal and white for my mom. In this family, no one fights alone. Cervical cancer awareness. And then one more cervical cancer warrior unbreakable design right here. So those are the health and awareness ones for January. Now we are getting into the occupations, and I just need to take a quick sip of coffee real quick. Okay, so there's certain like career days in January, and one of them is pediatrician. So I love being a pediatrician. Cross Nation B with pediatrician. Our patients are cuter. Pediatric squad. Then it's pharmacy. There's like a pharmacy day in January. We'll give pharmacy advice for pizza. Again, we're seeing that not your average design, not your average pharmacist. Pharmacist crushing it. I sell drugs with a valid prescription. Pharmacy squad, educated drug dealer. So a lot of good pharmacy ones. Pharmacist, we can't fix stupid, but we can medicate it. So I believe those are going to be, oh no, never mind. I take that back. I thought maybe we were getting into the animal ones. But these ones are the baking ones. So I just want to bake and pet my cat. I believe it's bakers. There's some type of baker's day. People who like bake pastries and cakes and breads in January. Just a girl who loves Jesus and baking. So here we're crossing Jesus and baking with a very popular design style. This to me is a really good one. Cake dealer. So instead of drug dealer, it's cake dealer. Happiness is the smell of freshly baked bread. Baking is my superpower. Now we got bird watching, so bird watching goes both ways, so the birds are watching us too. I'm a bird watching grandma, so cross niching grandma with bird watching. Something that I talk a lot about on this channel is you can just take almost any niche and cross niche it with some type of demographic, whether it's grandma, grandpa, mom, dad, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, etc., husband, wife. It has a good chance to sell. Bird nerd. Yes, I do have a retirement plan. I plan on bird watching. I'm not lost on bird watching, easily distracted by birds. Sorry I'm late. I saw a bird, just a girl who loves birds. Actually, maybe we're into the animal ones now. Okay, so here we go. Animal ones, this is my human costume. I'm really a squirrel. This would have done well for Halloween. Squirrel mom. It's a squirrel thing you wouldn't understand. Squirrel whisperer. Squirrel power. Pardon me, the bird feeder appears to be empty. That's funny too. Squirrel squad. Again, I talk a lot about this to my members. You can just take almost any niche and just put the word squad after it, and for some reason that tends to sell very well in the States. Just a girl who loves squirrels. That's actually a really good one right there. You can see how good they are with the cartoon designs. Always be yourself unless you can be a penguin. Then always be a penguin. Just a girl who loves penguins. So there's some type of penguin awareness or appreciation day in January. I just really like penguins and gaming. So we're taking penguins, we're cross niche it with video games, which is a good niche to cross niche with video games. I did the math. The answer is penguins. Now it looks like we're getting into the food design. So just a boy who loves croissants. Life is better with croissants. I'm the croissant queen. I'm here because I thought there would be croissants. A good day starts with coffee and a croissant. I would wear that because that's how I like to start my mornings, at least on the weekends. Bonjour. Popcorn squad, just a girl who loves popcorn. Is that you, bro? That's so funny, man. Is that you, bro? I would wear that. Popcorn king, I'm just here for the popcorn. What's poppin'? Pizza is life, powered by pizza. Pizza queen, exercise. I thought you said extra slice. I'm just here for the pizza. Less upsetty, more spaghetti. I was told there would be spaghetti. Just a girl who loves spaghetti. This is my spaghetti shirt, mom's spaghetti. So these are the food ones. Then we got Swiss cheese. I love Swiss cheese queen, powered by Swiss cheese. And then a couple Bloody Mary ones. Let's get salty. Weekend forecast 100 chance of Bloody Mary. So those are the 100 prompts that I have for you guys for January. If you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase it for $9.99. If you're not interested, it's all good. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to become a member, there should be a join button somewhere. You can check out the benefits. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.